WebSim.AI tutorial. Create any website within minutes. Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're going to be using WebSim.AI to create our own website. Now, WebSim.AI is one of those platforms that has an interface that can scare you off, but it's such an amazing AI and you can do so much with it. Simply head on over to WebSim.AI, and on the top right, you can just click on login or just sign in. We're going to sign in with Google to make this easier to create our account. And I'm just going to click on continue over here. And once we click on continue, you will see your profile on the top left. You will see a home page, a refresh option. You will see different creations with WebSim as well. On the top, you will have a search bar, which will say, what would you like to create today? If you open this up, you will also see the type of AI model that you can use. They have OpenAI's GPT-4 as well as the legacy models like the Haiku, Sonnet 3, and Opus. Now we're going to be using the Sonnet 3.5, which is the smartest and fastest model that is currently recommended. So on the top, we're going to type in what we want to create. So I want to create a portfolio website for my family photography business. And once you put in your query on WebSim, it's going to take all the information that it has and it is going to get started with building. So the process of creating your website is so much more easier when it comes to WebSim. And you guys can see it has provided me with a template already. You guys can see I can bookmark this as well to just make it easier for me to access. You can also click on download on the top right, and this allows you to download what WebSim has created. So this is what it has created. It's a really nice website template where I can add a hero section where people can book a session, as well as our gallery section where I can display my work, different services, and a contact us page. So now that we have a basic structure of our website, we can proceed with the next step. Now, you can take this in a couple of different ways. So without coding, how can you take this website and how can you create this as an actual website? Well, with this, you have a few different options. Either you can download this website and this will be downloaded as an HTML. And I'll show you guys, you can see on the top right in my downloads, you will see an HTML file that has been downloaded. So once you download a HTML file of the WebSim website, obviously I recommend adding more details about your website. So, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Create a family photography website for my name is Lily and family photography portfolio website for me and any type of specifications I have. So I provide following services like this, and then I can add the services. So family portraits, events, like so. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to provide a more detailed version. The more detailed your prompt is, the better the website is going to be generated. Once you have generated a website that you like, you're going to proceed with the next step, which is going to take the HTML and convert that into a website. So for that, you can go into Pantheon, and Pantheon gives you free access to building with WordPress. So you guys can see Lily's family photography. We have a nice little panel here. We have this, and to make this an editable website, head on over to Pantheon and you're going to log on to Pantheon. You can sign up for free. It's a completely free tool to use. And I'm just going to connect with Google over here to log on to my Pantheon account. Now, Pantheon allows you to deploy WordPress onto any site. So you can simply create a HTML file and then upload that onto Pantheon. You guys can see I already have a site, but if you are creating a new site, you can click on create new site over here. Once you click on create new site, your dashboard will be loaded up. I will name my site Lily Family Photography. And then I'll just click on continue over here. Once I click on continue, I can move towards the next step, which is going to be deploying WordPress. So we're going to wait for this to be completed. And once this is completed, our dashboard is going to be loaded up. Now you will see different options. We're going to be using WordPress, so we can click on deploy over here. Once we click on deploy, WordPress will now be deployed. And your deploying WordPress can take a bit of time. So I'm going to take the shortcut and go back into my site. Once we go into our site, you will see you have the code. And over here, you have your host, username, password, your port as well. You can add a commit message. You can also see you have your database and files. You also have the merge files, and you can also do this on Shopify. You have the option to edit your Shopify code as well. You can click on Visit Developmental Site to open up WordPress. And once we open up WordPress, if you want to simplify this further, you can use plugins to actually take the HTML file and convert that into your website. So in this way, you can really take any type of website. This is my current site, so I'm going to open up the back end of my WordPress site. And once we open up our WordPress site over here, you guys can see we're going to go into our plugins on the left, click on add new plugin. You can also directly start editing. So we're going to do HTML, and you can definitely find a simple HTML converter. So you have a sitemap generator, you have HTML forms, you can take individual snippets, so insert HTML snippet. You can just click on install now and use that if you want to integrate certain parts of the website into your existing website. If you want to do it completely, you can directly edit the code of your WordPress site. Without having to learn how to code, you can still make your WebSim AI-based websites into a reality. And if not, you still get a really nice wireframe or a wire structure that is going to help you in creating a website that you really like. So you really have a lot of great options when you're using WebSim. And with WebSim, not only can you create a website, but you can create content. So create content for my photography website, and it will create content. This is a very visual and a very learned AI, you could say, and it's going to help you in building individual sections of your website that you can then compile together on one web builder. You guys can see it has now built out a really different structure with a different content line. You guys can see it has also given me inspiration works. So it has provided me with feature works, and these are AI generated images that it has created. And like so, you can build your free website. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.